When it comes to fixing your brand, no task is more popular than changing your logo. Unfortunately, many people don't consider how their logo actually resonates with their potential target audience. What I'm going to show you today is how to use a simple prompt to analyze your logo and find out exactly what it's saying. I'm Mark DeGrasse, founder of AI Branding Academy, and today we're talking about a prompt I've used since the beginning of the company. It's called Logo Craft. And what Logo Craft does is it reverse engineers your logo to tell you exactly what people think in some very specific ways. We call them the brand essentials, and we use them as the visual identity of brands as we build them. So what I'm going to do is show you the prompt. We're going to go ahead and analyze the logo, and I'm going to show you exactly what it says about the brand in question. All right, so this is the logo analysis prompt. I also call these logo craft, but I figure this one's a little bit more obvious about what it does. Basically, all you have to do is copy this, and then you're going to upload this to ChatGPT along with the logo. So you can see here, upload logo. You're going to go and copy that. Come in ChatGPT, paste. Now for the logo, I want something a little mysterious to see what it says. So I found one from a barbershop. Let me go and upload. There we go. I'm going to show it to you before I upload it. So 4 Points Barbershop. Actually says a lot, but let's see what ChatGPT thinks it says. Upload there and go. Now, what this is showing you is what we call the brand essentials. Now, with branding, most people think branding is just visual elements. It's a lot more than that, but it is very important. So we have a whole kind of component of what we call the AI brand blueprint called the brand essentials, and I'm going to show you what it shows you right now. But it's all based off of your logo. And the reason why the logo is so important is because it's the kind of centralized visual identity of your brand. And if you could just maintain that consistency, using the logo as kind of the base point for all visual decisions, you're going to be very well off in terms of making sure that everything else you produce goes in line with the logo. All right, so you have first is the brand personality and identity. Color scheme, it actually analyzes what this color scheme means, evokes feelings of sophistication, elegance, timeliness, and professionalism. Imagery and symbols, breaks it down into central imagery features an intricately designed eye enclosed within geometric shapes, which might symbolize precision, attention to detail, and craftsmanship. All right, looking good. 4 points might indicate a foundational principle, precision, or could reference the 4 cardinal points, hinting at comprehensive, holistic care and attention to their services. So it says a ton. It goes into typography. Goes into typography. I'm not going to read all of them. You could check out the video or pause the video. Design, style, and aesthetics, minimalism or complexity. Logo strikes a balance between minimalism and complexity. This combination communicates high quality, attention to detail, and premium positioning. Goes into geometric shapes. Let's talk about tone and messaging. Formality versus casualness. The logo leans towards formality and professionalism with its detailed classic styling. Scalability and versatility, adaptability. Due to its clear lines, defined shapes, and high contrast colors, logo will adapt well across multiple formats and sizes, maintaining its recognizability from small social media icons to large storefront signage. That's actually a big component of kind of what I teach about logo design in terms of it needs to be visible as a favicon, which is 16 pixels across, but also be identifiable when it's a building size. Consistency and alignment with strategy, and then finally mood and emotional resonance. I really like this component, mood and emotional resonance, because it really says like what do people feel when they see your logo. And we all know that feeling is a core component of our decision making, so it makes a big difference whether your logo communicates that or not. So emotional tone, logo creates a mood of sophistication, assurance, and intrigue. The eye conveys personalized attention and care, possibly hinting at a premium or exclusive customer experience. Color psychology and design aesthetics, sharp angles, precision. So you can see if you're probably a high-end barber shop and you're trying to communicate like, hey, you come here to get a professional job done. I think this logo does a great job, and it looks like AI thinks that as well. All right, so there you have it. You go ahead and analyze your logo, analyze your competitors' logos. I really, this is one of the first kind of prompts that I made and shared with everyone, specifically because I think a logo communicates a lot. And unfortunately, a lot of brands are not hitting the mark a lot of the time. So what this does is gives you an unbiased example, which I think people need, because when you're designing a logo, you're starting a new business, you're promoting your new brand, you're going to do it to people you like and they like you, and they're going to be a lot nicer Plus, individual opinions when you're looking at, hey, we're going to try to advertise to everyone, don't matter as much. You need a generalized opinion to find out, hey, is this hitting the mark or not? So, and you could take it a step further. That was just the initial prompt, but you could go deeper and say, hey, I'm trying to communicate to, middle-aged men, and they make a high income. Does this communicate to them? So you can start to ask it or prompt it with questions, telling you, whether you're hitting the mark in terms of your branding or not. So go ahead and try it out. Let me know how it goes and whether your logo actually communicates what you intended it to.